most of Unit 10 talks about transformations, and a transformation is basically taking a figure and moving it somewhere else on your coordinate plane. So the first one that we'll talk about is a translation. A translation, a way to remember what that is to look at that SL. And the SL in translation should make you think slide. So whenever we talk about a translation, all we're doing is we're taking this figure, in this case we're going to use triangle ABC, and we're sliding it or we're moving it somewhere else on the coordinate plane, which means when you're done, the triangle should be the same size, and it should also be facing the same direction as it was when you started. We're not turning it, all we're doing is moving it or translating it, sliding it somewhere else. So the first thing that we want to do is actually label the points or the vertices of this triangle. So at A, we've got 3, 1, the x-coordinate's 3 and y is 1. For B, we've got 5, 5. And C, we have 7, 1. And when you see a translation, you're going to see it written in a couple of different ways. Just like we write coordinate pair x and y, we're going to do the same thing with the points to direct us how to do the translation. Let's say I want to translate or slide this 6 units to the left and 3 units down, and you'll also see it written as -6 for 6 units to the left on the number line, and -3 for 3 units down. So because this is a translation, it means that we're going to take every one of those points or those vertices that make up our triangle and move each one 6 units to the left or -6 and 3 units down or -3. So I'm going to track that on here, and I'm going to start with point A, and I'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 3 units down. 1, 2, 3. And when we do a transformation, our new image, we label those with prime. So this will be A prime. And we'll do the same thing with B and C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left, and 1, 2, 3 down. And this will be B prime. Same with point C, and I'll change the color for this since we'll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. And that's C prime. So my new triangle is the same size as the one that I started with. We've just slid it across the coordinate plane.